Hello everyone, it's Chandler South, the broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the beach. We're looking at the Arbordale 2 today. This is going to be 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1980 square feet under air. Let's go inside and take a look. So the first thing I noticed walking up is going to be a beautiful large front porch. Again, that's really nice. Single entry front door. Let's go inside and take a look. So on this particular model, all of your bedrooms will be towards the front of the property. So let's take a look. So here's going to be your 2 guest bedrooms. So guest bedroom number 1, nice large room right towards the front. This lot does overlook the water a little bit, so you do have a little bit of a lake view from the front, which is nice. Again, turning around, here's going to be your walk-in closet. Another view of the guest bedroom towards the front. Let's walk across the hall. You do have another guest bedroom right over here. Each of these guest bedrooms will share a full guest bath, which is right over here. This one also has a shower tub combo, tile all the way to the ceiling. Like I mentioned, all the guest bedrooms and owner bedrooms are towards the front of the property. So if you walk across the hall, here's going to be the owner bedroom. Again, king size bed for size reference, so definitely still a nice large room. Let me turn around over here. Get another view of the owner bedroom, which will be towards the front of the property. Again, nice large room. You do got a walk-in closet behind this door over here. And then right next door, you do have your owner bathroom. Double vanities over here. This is going to be a walk-in tiled shower. And let's look at the other guest closet. So here's your closet, also in the owner bedroom. Double vanities. And again, there is your walk-in tiled shower. Owner bedroom. Leaving the owner bedroom, here's the front entry once more. Walking into the main home. Here's a view of your main living area and dining. Walking outside, this one does have a full pocket slider, so you do have nice indoor-outdoor living. There is a summer kitchen hookup, so if you do want to add that in the future. Beautiful saltwater pool. Again, turning back around. Another view of the outdoor entertaining area. Walking back inside. And again, if you want any more details, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575 or visit liveplayflorida.com. Like I mentioned, this is a gas community, so you do have your gas range right over here. And you do also have the KitchenAid appliance package upgrade, which is really nice. Also towards the back, you'll have your laundry space over here. There's your laundry. Turning back around, more storage, and this will be the entry into your garage. Again, another view of the kitchen. Okay guys, it's in the tour towards outside. And my name is Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. And welcome to your brand new home, the Arbordale 2. And again, we're in Bradenton, Florida. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575.